𝐀𝐫𝐭𝐢𝐟𝐢𝐜𝐢𝐚𝐥, the first day of the AI for Development workshop held in Thimphu brought together a multidisciplinary cohort of policymakers, technologists and private sector leaders to explore the role of artificial intelligence in advancing sustainable development. Co-organized by the Royal Government of Bhutan, the United Arab Emirates and the Eurasia Group, the workshop aimed to catalyze knowledge exchange, identify Bhutan-specific AI use cases and foster collaborative pathways for responsible AI adoption in the global south.
I think one of the most common misconceptions when it comes to AI is that it is something that is harmful or that we should be perhaps fearful of. So while it's certainly a disruptive technology, there are also a host of opportunities and benefits that we can obtain from furthering our AI initiatives within an economy.
Across 2 days of dynamic discussions, participants will explore how AI can improve public services, strengthen digital infrastructure, and help Bhutan achieve its development goals, from agriculture and tourism to employment and governance.
For Bhutan, I think we should look at how to use AI for economic growth. Some of the areas that we need to start having deeper, meaningful conversation, but also go beyond conversations are in how to use our green energy. We have 36 gigawatt of hydropower potential. We have a huge potential that we are exploring in geothermal in Bhutan. Exploring, of course, at this point in using advanced technologies in geothermal. If we can strike geothermal in Bhutan, if we can make hydrogen technology in Bhutan because we have excess hydropower during summer, and of course the solar technologies, and of course the 36 gigawatt of hydro. This is the potential we can use to leverage AI data centers in Bhutan. So that's a huge opportunity for us in the AI age for our economic leapfrogging.
From practical use cases to live tech demonstrations, the workshop was not just about ideas, it was about action. Participants brainstormed tangible AI applications for service delivery, explored implementation strategies, and reflected on how AI can be developed responsibly, ethically, and equitably. The AI for Development workshop demonstrated Bhutan's commitment to harnessing artificial intelligence in ways that align with the values of equity, sustainability, and innovation. For Bhutan Today News, this is reporter Sonam Choden with cameraman Ugen Tile.